In this guide, we'll provide you with 8 solutions to fix the Send Anywhere is not working issue. We recommend following the order below for troubleshooting. Fix 1. Check the internet connection. Move closer to the router. Strengthen the Wi-Fi signal by moving closer to the router. Restart the router. Reset the network by restarting your router if the connection remains unstable. Use a mobile hotspot. Connect your computer to your phone's 5G for G hotspot to bypass network restrictions and improve file transfers. Configure public DNS. Resolve DNS issues by setting a public DNS, for example Google DNS 8.8.8.8 on your device's network settings. Fix 2. Restart Send Anywhere. On Windows, open Task Manager, right-click taskbar, end the Send Anywhere task, wait 10 seconds, and restart the app. On iOS, open the app switcher. Swipe up on Send Anywhere to close it, wait 10 seconds, then reopen it. On Android, swipe away, Send Anywhere from the recent apps screen, wait 10 seconds, and reopen the app. Fix 3. Restart your device. If restarting the app doesn't fix the issue, try restarting the device to resolve deeper problems. On computers, click the Start menu and select Restart. On mobile phones, hold the power button and choose Restart. After rebooting, launch Send Anywhere and test again to see if the issue is resolved. Fix 4. Try a different transfer method. Switch from 6-digit key to QR code. If the 6-digit key fails, use the QR code for scanning. Ensure the phone's camera is unobstructed. Use link sharing. If direct transfer fails, generate a download link and send it via WeChat, email, or other tools. The recipient can download it without needing Send Anywhere. Note: the 6-digit key is valid for 10 minutes, and the link is valid for 48 hours. Fix 5. Check storage space. On Windows, open this PC and check the disk space. On macOS, go to Apple menu about this Mac storage. On iOS, go to Settings General iPhone Storage. On Android, go to Settings Storage. If space is low, delete unnecessary files, old photos, unused apps, cached videos to free up space for the transfer. Fix 6. Update Send Anywhere. On Windows or macOS, open the app, go to Settings or Help, and click Check for updates. Follow prompts to install. On iOS, open the App Store, search for Send Anywhere, and click Update if available. On Android, open Google Play Store, search for Send Anywhere, and tap Update if available. After updating, restart the app and try the transfer again. Fix 7. Reinstall Send Anywhere. If updating doesn't solve the issue, reinstalling the app can fix corrupted files. On Windows, go to Control Panel, Programs and Features, uninstall Send Anywhere, then download and install the latest version from the official website. On macOS, drag the app to the trash, empty it, then download and reinstall from the official website. On iOS, press and hold the app icon, tap Delete App, then reinstall from the App Store. On Android, press and hold the app icon, tap Uninstall, then reinstall from Google Play Store. After reinstalling, grant necessary permissions and test the transfer again. Fix 8. Clear app cache and data. On Windows, open the app, go to Settings, and click Clear Cache. On macOS, go to Library Caches, find the Send Anywhere folder, and delete it. On iOS, uninstall and reinstall the app to clear the cache. No direct option available. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, Send Anywhere Storage, then tap Clear Cache. You can also tap Clear Data, but this will erase settings and login info. Clearing the cache can resolve minor issues.